Terra, Earth, our home. We have been living on this planet for centuries. It is all that we have. We are on a perfect planet in a massive space, a big, ever-expanding universe, drifting in the cosmos. For the centuries we have inhabited this Earth, we have degraded it in a matter of decades. Overpopulation, overconsumption, polluting the environment, it has all brought us to the success we have today, but at the cost of our planet. We have been changing the climate ever since we started burning fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, to increase industrialization. When we burn those fossil fuels, it releases greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere, destroying the natural greenhouse gas effect, warming the planet even more. No, not that much, but enough to destabilize the environment and change the climate unnaturally. By increasing the temperature of the Earth by just a few degrees, we can experience more droughts, stronger hurricanes, and melting glaciers. But the first thing that is affected is our oceans. The oceans cover a large portion of the planet, and like trees, the oceans act like a carbon buffer and slowly absorb carbon dioxide. When the ocean absorbs more carbon dioxide than what it's normally used to, this can influence the wildlife, but also on the climate. More carbon dioxide in the water can destroy coral reefs, change migration patterns for fish, which can affect poor people that depend on it. And because the greenhouse gas is trapping more heat on the Earth, this means the oceans will also increase in temperature, melting glaciers, which destroy polar bears' habitats, and increase sea levels, posing a threat to coastal cities and countries all across the world. The oceans are very important because it helps regulate the climate by distributing warm and cold air. If we keep burning fossil fuels at the current rate, things are only going to get worse. But amid all of these things, you might wonder what we can do to solve this problem. For one, to save our oceans from climate change, we must stop burning fossil fuels and switch to renewable energy now, such as solar and wind energy, providing a better option for the environment and economically. This is an enormous task facing us, but in order to solve this problem, we must change too. Everybody has a part in the climate crisis. We can vote for politicians who have a stronger grasp on tackling climate change, and other things we can do is changing our habits by reducing our carbon footprint, such as following the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. And lastly, spread the word about the climate crisis and convince everybody on this planet that climate change is a real and serious issue, and that we must act now before it's too late, before our beautiful home in this vast space becomes another fireball. Thank you.